As a design community, especially in the North, there is very, very little opportunity for us to come together and meet other people. Most designers in the North are a single person department within their business. And I think that's really sad, because who are you going to speak to? Who are you going to talk to? Who's going to get you out of trouble when you need some advice on your project? And events like this bring us together. And I just want to talk about two people personally who are here tonight who've made the journey up. So Chris at the back. So Chris was the first person who actually cared about me in design, the first person who was bothered about my professional development. And I first worked with him 19 years ago, and he's supported my career ever since. So if you don't have anybody that's currently supporting your career, talk to somebody in this room tonight. Try and find somebody to be a mentor, somebody to talk to, somebody to have a virtual coffee with, no matter where they live, because it's important. Second person, Ben. So myself and Ben have had tremendous success together, but we've also tasted failure. And we came through adversity, and at the end of it, we're still friends, and he's here tonight still supporting me. And they've both travelled up, Chris from Birmingham and Ben from Bracknell. And it means a lot, but it's that sense of community that you get within design that a lot of industries don't have, but we're starved of it up here. So take the opportunity tonight to speak to someone you've never met before, ask them about the careers, find out what they're interested in, and make a connection.